Who are you with? Yeah, I said, who are you with?
What?
Who are you with?
With Mom.
This is River, guys. I don't think you've seen him yet.
Well, you've seen him
River.
in the Floor's Lava Challenge.
Oh, that's right. Well, he's back.
Mhm.
He's going on a walk. Right, Riv?
Yeah, and no one friend didn't come since they were in the Floor's Lava Challenge, but they're in at home.
So what's your favorite part about going on a walk?
Your muscles get bigger and it's good for your body.
Oh, that's a nice answer. Do you collect anything on your walks?
Yeah, leaves and rocks and pine cones.
What about you, Riv? You collect anything?
Baba Milkies.
Oh my gosh, you don't look very happy about this walk. Ah, there we go. All right, now he's happy. Okay, well, if we find anything cool, we'll have to share it with our friends, right?
Mhm.
What's on your hand?
Tattoos.
Who did those?
My dad and me.
Oh,
And they glitter, and I have a headband that glitters.
what's around your neck?
A choker
Oh my gosh, you're styling, girl.
and a braid.
We have to have our yoo-hoos for our walk, right?
Mhm.
We opened it as soon as we left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys later. We just wanted to check in and show you what we were doing on this nice day before it got too hot. What are we going to do later when it gets hot?
Swim.
Swim. All right.
And we might take you underwater.
Ooh, that'll be exciting. We're going to go look for the deer that come around our neighborhood now. So we're going to go see if we can find the deer, but they might be sleeping.
Can I put this in there?
They might be sleeping because it's getting pretty hot out and they come out at night.
Yeah, they come in our backyard.
Yeah. Okay, we'll check in with you guys later. I say bye, River.